On this video, I will show you how to retrieve the responses in your Google Forms. First, go to your Google Drive and open your Google Form file. In the Questions tab, you will see all the questions you have in your Google Form. Click the Responses tab. Beside it, you will see how many have responded to your form. There are 3 sections on this tab: Summary, Question, Individual. In the Summary, you will see the graphical representation of the responses as well as the answers your respondents typed for your questions. You can scroll through all the sections. In the question, you will see how many questions your form has and the respondent's answer for each question. In the individual, you will be able to see all the answers to the questions of each respondent. You can also click the Google Sheets icon to create a spreadsheet of all the responses. Choose Create a new spreadsheet, then click Create. The Google Sheet will be opened in a new tab. You can now sort your data by columns. This file will be automatically saved in your Google Drive. That's how to retrieve the responses of your Google Forms. Watch other videos on my channel to learn other EdTech tools. See you on my next video.